हेलो एवरीवन, आशा करते हैं आप सभी अच्छे हैं। आज इस क्लास में हम बात करेंगे क्लोज टेस्ट पार्ट 1। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। डिस्क्लेमर: द इमेजेस used in a slide deck are for educational purposes. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डायरेक्शंस पढ़ लेते हैं। इन द फॉलोइंग पैसेज, ये जो पैसेज दिया गया है, देयर आर ब्लैंक्स, कुछ ब्लैंक्स हैं। ईच ऑफ विच हैज बीन नंबर्ड, जितने भी ब्लैंक्स हैं वो नंबर्ड हैं। दीज नंबर्स आर प्रिंटेड बिलो द पैसेज अगेंस्ट ईच 5 वर्ड्स आर सजेस्टेड, वन ऑफ विच fills the blank appropriately. Find out the appropriate word in each case. So जितने भी ब्लैंक्स दिए गए हैं, हर एक ब्लैंक के लिए ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। हमें एक एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड को फाइंड आउट करना है और उस ब्लैंक को फिल करना है। ये होता है हमारा क्लोज टेस्ट। सो एक पैसेज दिया गया है, पढ़ लेते हैं। 14 centuries ago, तो 14 centuries पहले की बात चल रही है। When the world was much younger, जब दुनिया और ज्यादा जवान थी। The ruler of all India, जो पूरा भारत है उसके रूलर की बात चल रही है। राजा बलहेट was dash about his people. A new game of dice called hard. So एक न्यू गेम है और डाइस का जिसका नाम क्या है, हार्ड। Had dash the imagination of his subjects, teaching them that chance alone a roll of the dice guided the dash of man. All who played this game of fortune lost their dash. In the virtues of courage, prudence, wisdom, and hope, it bred a fatalism that was dash the spirit of kingdom. Raja Bel had commissioned Sissa, an intelligent courtier, at his court. जो उसका दरबार था उसमें एक इंटेलिजेंट कोर्टियर था। To find an answer to this dash after much dash, the clever Sissa invented another game. जो चतुर सीसा था उसने इन्वेंट किया another game, कोई दूसरा गेम, चतुरंगा। The exact dash of heart, हार्ट की तरह ही था शायद वो। In which the 4 elements of the Indian army were the key pieces. In the game, these pieces, chariots, horses, elephants, and foot soldiers, joined with the royal counselor to defend their king and defeat the enemy. Forceful dash was demanded of the players, not luck. Chaturanga soon became more popular than hard, and the dash to the kingdom was over. So आशा करते हैं आपको पैसेज समझ में आया। क्लोज टेस्ट में क्या होता है, पैसेज पूरा क्लियरली समझ में आता नहीं है बिकॉज ब्लैंक्स दिए गए होते हैं, जो वर्ड्स हैं वो मिसिंग होते हैं। पर जितना भी समझ आया आपको, ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ए कंसर्न्ड, बी कॉन्फिडेंट, सी इग्नोरेंट, डी इंडिफरेंट, ई पार्टिसन। तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है और ब्लैंक नंबर 1 को फिल करना है। फिल करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है ए कंसर्न्ड। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द पैसेज डील्स विद द किंग्स कंसर्न फॉर हिज सब्जेक्ट्स ड्यू टू अ न्यू गेम ऑफ डाइस। तो पैसेज किस में डील कर रहा है, किंग के कंसर्न को लेके, उसके सब्जेक्ट किस वजह से, ड्यू टू अ गेम ऑफ डाइस, न्यू गेम ऑफ डाइस दैट हैड अट्रैक्टेड एंड चेंज द माइंडसेट ऑफ हिज मैन। इन्होंने अट्रैक्ट किया और चेंज किया किसका माइंडसेट, उसके आदमियों का। द बेस्ट ऑप्शन टू फिल in the blank is concerned as it makes the sentence contextually correct. So हम इस तरह से पढ़ेंगे passage. 14 centuries ago, when the world was much younger, the ruler of all India, Raja Belhat, was concerned about his people. So वो concerned था, उनको लेके चिंतित था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Question number 2. In the following passage, there are blanks, each of which has been numbered. These numbers are printed below the passage, and against each, 5 words are suggested, one of which fits the blank appropriately. Find out the appropriate word in each case. So ये एक different passage है, चलिए पढ़ते हैं. When sound dash the world of cinema, जो सिनेमा की जो दुनिया है, mime made a gracious exit. Dash then it stood proudly as a performing art in itself, independent and dash in style, approach, treatment, and performance, not matched, however, by dash acceptance. During the silent era, actors in silent films had to dash totally on mime as the only way of dash their emotions, expressions, incidents, events, and interactions between and among characters. German expressionist cinema, the acting of classic performers like Charlie Chaplin, Harold Lloyd, and Buster Keaton, used mime that they had dash as part of their theatrical dash in their films with great effect. A French mime artist once said, "Mime is the poetry of silence." तो mime जो है poetry किसकी silence की. But once talking dash entered the scenario, mime was dash ever used in films, even though a character introduced as a mime artist. So options दिए गए हैं. A entered, B came, C so, D became, E featured. So दिए गए ऑप्शन में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है और ब्लैंक नंबर 11 को फिल करना है. फिल करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा. आपका समय शुरू होता है अब. आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है. करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं. करेक्ट आंसर है ए एंटर्ड. सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, the passage talks about the introduction of sound in the world of cinema and its effect thereafter. Thus, it is appropriate to say that sound entered the world of cinema rather than using came, so, became, and featured with sound in this context. So, sound entered is the right answer. Question number 3. In the following passage, there are blanks, each of which has been numbered. These numbers are printed below the passage, and against each, 5 words are suggested, one of which fits the blank appropriately. Find out the appropriate word in each case. So passage पढ़ लेते हैं. Once upon a time, एक बार की बात है, there was a prince, एक prince था, who wanted to marry a princess, जो कि एक princess से शादी करना चाहता था. But she would have to be a real princess. He dashed all over the world to find one, but nowhere could he get what he wanted. One evening during a terrible storm, there was thunder and lightning. So बिजली कड़क रही थी, तूफान आया हुआ था. And the rain poured down in torrents. बारिश हो रही थी. Suddenly a knocking was dash at the palace door, and the old king went to open it. It was a princess standing out there. वह princess थी जो बाहर खड़ी थी. But good gracious, what a sight the rain and the wind had made her look. The water rained down her hair and clothes, into the toes of her shoes and out again at the heels. And yet she insisted that she was a real princess. Well, we will soon dash out, thought the old queen. But she said nothing, went into the bedroom, took all the bedding off the bedstead, and dashed a pea on the bottom. Then she took 20 mattresses and laid them on the pea, and then 20 quilts on dash of the mattresses. On this, the princess had to lie all night. In the dash, she was asked how she had slept. Oh, very badly, said she. I scarcely closed my eyes all night. Heaven only knows what was in the bed, but I was lying on something hard as a dash. I am black and blue all over my body. It's horrible. Now they knew that she was a real princess because she had dashed the pea right through the 20 mattresses and the 20 quilts. Nobody but a real princess could be as dashed as that. So the prince took her for his wife, for now he dashed that he had a real princess. आशा करते हैं आपको पैसे समझ में आया। ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं कोल्ड, स्टोर, सेंट, सो, ट्रैवल। सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करना है और सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। ब्लैंक नंबर 21 को आपको फिल करना है। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है ई, ट्रैवल्ड। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, सोल्यूशन इन द पैसेज स्टेट्स that there was a prince who wanted to marry a real princess, and to search for the one he went all over the world. So travel makes the sentence meaningful and contextually correct. Question number 4. In the following passage there are blanks, each of which has been numbered. These numbers are printed below the passage, and against each 5 words are suggested, one of which fits the blank appropriately. Find out the appropriate word in each case. Passage दिया गया है, पढ़ लेते हैं. As the country embarks on planning 31st, the 12th plan 2012 to 17 period, a key question mark hangs over the process is on the energy requirements. Growth is energy hungry, and the aspiration of growing at 9 to 10% will use demands on the energy resources of the country. In this energy jigsaw, renewable energy will like never before in the 12th plan and the dash by rule of the thumb. India will dash about 100 gigawatts, 100,000 megawatts of capacity addition in the next few years, encouraging trends on energy efficiency and sustained by some parts of the government. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency in particular needs to be complemented for this have led to substantially lesser energy intensity of economic growth. However, even the tendered demanded numbers are dash to be below 80 gigawatt. As against this need, the coal supply from domestic sources is unlikely to support more than 25 gigawatt. Equivalent capacity imported coal can add some more, but at a much dash cost. Gas-based electricity generation is unlikely to contribute anything substantial in a view of the unprecedented gas supply challenges. Nuclear will be dash in the foreseeable future between imported coal, gas, large hydro and nuclear. No more than 15 to 20 gigawatt equivalent can be dash to be added in the 5-year time block. This capacity addition in the renewable energy-based power generation has touched about 3 gigawatt a year in the coming 5 years. The overall capacity addition in the electricity grid dash renewable energy is likely to range between 20 gigawatt and 25 gigawatt. Additionally, over and above the grid-based capacity of grid electricity applications are reaching remote places and lives where grid-based electricity supply has miserably failed. ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं ए ऑन, बी अगेंस्ट, सी फॉर, डी ऑनवर्ड्स एंड ई एट। सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करके आपको ब्लैंक नंबर 33 को फिल करना है। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है C4। सॉल्यूशन है we plan for future as sentence is about planning for future. So as the country embarks on planning for the 12th plan, आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, filling the blank with most appropriate words from the given options. IBPS PO MT Main 2015. Tibet dash up images of a mystic land. Snow-capped mountain peaks pierce the blue sky and fierce chilly winds sweep the rolling grasslands. Maroon-robed Buddhist monks pray in remote monasteries and dash horsemen pound the rugged earth. People in this high Pluto perform punishing rituals like prostrating hundreds of miles in tattered clothes on pilgrimage. Spirits, spells, and flying apparitions are a part of Tibetan world. In short, Tibet remains an exotica. Such images are largely the result of books by Western travelers and explorers in the last century, which helped in keeping the mystique alive. And when the communist rulers took over Tibet in the 1950s and began Chinese language and culture on the people, Tibet's own history started to dash in the background. Thus, the only books available in English to Tsering Wangmo Dompa as a young girl growing up in India and Nepal as a refugee. Those written by Westerners, and so she came to view the country as a forbidden land, a place where fantasy and fable collaborated against a dramatic backdrop of mountains, black magic, and people with strange customs and appearances. ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं स्टर्डी, वोबली, हैंडसम, हरकुलेन, ब्यूटीफुल। तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। सही ऑप्शन चुनाव करने के बाद आपको ब्लैंक नंबर 46 को फिल करना है। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है ए स्टडी। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, स्टडी मीन्स विद स्ट्रॉन्ग बिल्डअप, वुबली मीन्स अनस्टडी, हरकुलन मीन्स having great strength, handsome means good looking. Option A is the most appropriate here, as a horseman is generally visualized as the one having strong build up. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। Question number 6. In the following passage, there are blanks, each of which has been numbered. These numbers are printed below the passage, and against each 5 words or phrases are suggested, one of which fits the blank appropriately. Find out the appropriate word, phrase in each case. SBI PO Prelim 2016. 20 years from now, nearly 60% of the world's population will live in urban areas. The impact of urbanization might not all be positive on India, as urban expansion is happening at a much faster rate than infrastructure expansion. Sustainability issues need to be dashed so that economic development is not at the dash of public health. Some urban services that ought to be in dash in a city like water, electricity, transport, etc. need special consideration. Terry has put together a detailed report that dash sustainability in the provision of basic urban services in Indian cities. Inadequate public transport is a major reason for the proliferation of private vehicles on the road. Respiratory illness in children living in urban areas is on the rise, with more cases of asthma being dashed because of pollution. The future of cities of Indian dreams depends on whether we can build better cities today. ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं स्पेकुलेटेड, बिलीव्ड, इमेजिन, कंसिडर्ड, अंडरस्टैंड। सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है, करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है डी, कंसीडर्ड। सोचने की अगर बात करें, कंसीडर मीन्स टू थिंक केयरफुली अबाउट समथिंग, तो किसी चीज के बारे में बहुत ध्यानपूर्वक सोचना। आशा करते हैं आपने इस सेशन से काफी कुछ सीखा। फिर से किसी अन्य सेशन में आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।